do you think, Chief?
Looks like a good morning. Good morning, guys, from Stafford, Kansas. Today, I'm going to be hanging out with Steve as he prepares for harvest. So every day starts off with a good hearty breakfast at Joanne's Cafe. Well, the crew is done working the fields and planting milo, and Jason behind me here is getting that, gosh, I don't even know the proper name for it. It's the implement that plants the milo seeds. But he's getting that all cleaned up because they're done, and you want to kind of put things away clean so the mice don't get into them. The co-op and grain elevators are also starting to ramp up, and some trucks are coming in with some wheat. So that'll be interesting to see how that operation all comes together. All right, guys, this is another one of the round tops, and that crop row planter is, I think, what it's called, is all cleaned up and ready to go away until next spring. We are now at another shed, and in this shed we're going to drop the fertilizer tanks that are on that tractor. We are now at another round top. This used to be Grandpa's round top, and there's still some family stuff in here. But right now Steve is storing the semis which haul grain up to the co-op and grain elevator. All right, guys, the first semi is all ready to go, and Jason is backing the second one up into the round top now. All right, the two semis are ready to go. I guess it's time to get these ready. 9650 combine and a 9770 combine. Wow, there's no hydraulic lines or moving parts in here, is there?
Oh no, none whatsoever.
All right, my curiosity is definitely piqued. This is an interesting contraption. I think I'm gonna have to go onto YouTube and like search up a video just so I can see how it all works and what gets spit out where and what processes they go through. Just from an initial observation, it almost has a certain resemblance to like a wash plant for prospecting and different stages of everything. Gotta love the air conditioning.
Yeah.
Wow, this one has a lot more room.
Yeah, a lot more.
Yeah. My whole ass fits on the seat. First cut of 2017. Well, if the wheat blowing in the wind wasn't hypnotizing, this is kind of hypnotizing too.
It is, big time.
Yeah. All the moving parts.
Yep.
Oh, you got some stuff going on behind us too.
Yep.
So that's all the grain?
Yep, that's the grain.
Wow. This is pretty cool stuff, Steve.
Yeah.
This will bring out the little boy in anybody.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go steal the fire truck next and hot lap that around town.
Yeah.
Soft isn't good?
No.
Okay, just like every type of growing something, there's a ripeness. and we're gonna go check the moisture content. He's hoping for something around a 13, which means everything's ready to go. That is definitely the fun part.
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of work up all season to that one event.
Big time.
11.7, 57.1.
So 11.7, you're in business to cut? Bring a load.
Okay. That's doing a pretty good job. Let's go cut it.
So is Harvest 2017 officially begun?
Yes,
All right, that's good news.
that is very good news.
All right, guys, I'm closing this video out for the day. Gonna do a little cutting this evening, but we'll start up fresh with a full-blown wheat harvest video for you next. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. And in this interim, when we're not posting every day, I'd like to strongly encourage you to check out some of our old videos. We have some great playlists and some amazing content from all over the world. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later.